Minta perlongan warak sepi ke kubur. Pempengkiang ke Iran jaga jing subut penyap ke Israel. Tong ini sengam. Lap kispa Iran palat sipojar teli gidrun sentiat ke Israel. Saudong ke Teheran. Kini gidrun berjutip kumki miniature on-arm aerial vehicle. Penenkam nakam ta kakam sentiat. Bat penjot dusman yaki kor kibor. Yakini gidrun sentiat lalap hapedeng ke jingkun ke besar kai. Hapedeng ke Israel bat Iran. Kinong kami bini akingej pe yakini gidrun. Lapha ban penkelumari ke jing persangka Iran ban yakun ya kakam sentian ki hesh pa Iran gyong dangshan penyap ke Israel ya ki saintis bat ya kinong hikai school daka pa penenkam ya kini ki drone ke Iran ke Kemru ya shibun kinong sentiat bari ki bateriwai bat ya kinong warung tu lengba ke jing tip jo ki spai kinong tu kit bini akyong katu ga ni ki basyakem ki don keti ha ka psychological warfare bat pencepting ki pajba ke jing kana apren ka Israel bak Iran kanang pur wat hadin ke ceasefire lani ke berjutip ke jing sang Asia Presiden ke Amerika Donald Trump upen bana ya ke jing suk thma ka baklam ne Islam ke IDF Israeli Defense Force ka report bah don jing set misail na Iran kan ta hadin ba pen bana ya ke jing suk thma ha ke jawab ke Israeli Air Force ka terbom penjot ya ka radar installation hajan Teheran Presiden ke Amerika Donald Trump udai unong penyesuk ya ke thma udai ru unong wadaw ya paro artileri
Israel, as soon as we made the deal, they came out and they dropped a load of bombs, the likes of which I've never seen before. The biggest load that we've seen. I'm not happy with Israel. You know, when I say, okay, now you have 12 hours, you don't go out in the first hour and just drop everything you have on them. So I'm not happy with them. I'm not happy with Iran either. But I'm really unhappy if Israel's going out this morning because the one rocket that didn't land, that was shot, perhaps by mistake, that didn't land. I'm not happy about that. You know what? We basically have two countries that have been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what they're doing. Do you understand that?